So hey there and welcome back to the channel, and this video is about the Mahindra XUV 300 and the Ford EcoSport sales figure and how the Mahindra XUV 300 beats the Ford EcoSport in the sales figure in this month of April 2021. So without any further delay, let's get started. The Mahindra XUV 300 was awarded with the tag of the safest car available in the Indian market by the Global NCAP, securing a 5-star of rating for the adult and 4-star for the children. Tested back in 2020, no cars currently available on sale in India has managed to outperform the XUV 300 in the Global NCAP crash tests. While safety is surely one of the XUV 300's forte, the sub-4 meter SUV is fairly well packed with value for money car. The market has also certainly realized that, and in April 2021, the XUV 300 emerged as the second best selling Mahindra car in the Indian market with 4,144 units to its name. It should be noted that while the XUV 300 was not the best selling car in its segment, it manages to outsell one of its biggest rival, the Ford EcoSport, which recorded a sales of around 3,820 units approximately in the same month. Ford was previously taught to source engines from Mahindra and Mahindra for its SUVs, including the EcoSport. But the plan were dropped from the partnership between these two manufacturers was completely dissolved. Well, Mahindra currently offers the XUV 300 in the Indian market with a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine rated at 110 PS and produces a maximum torque of 200 Nm, along with a 1.5-liter oil burner that puts out the 117 PS of max power and a greater torque of around 300 Nm. The transmission duties on both these powertrains are handled by a 6-speed manual as well as an optional AMT gearbox. On the other hand, the EcoSport is offered with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that puts out 123 PS of maximum power along with a 149 Nm of peak torque, and a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine produces a 99 PS of power and a 215 Nm of peak torque. A 5-speed manual gearbox is offered as standard with both the engines, while the petrol engine is also offered with a 6-speed torque converter. Well, Mahindra currently retails the XUV 300 at a base price starting from 7.95 lakhs onward that goes up to Rs 13.09 lakhs. While the Ford EcoSport is currently priced from rupees approximately 80.1 lakhs to 11.69 lakhs, and all these prices are ex-showroomed. So in terms of the sales figure, the Mahindra XUV 300 took over the Ford's EcoSport in the month of April 2021. And if you want to check out a detailed comparison video between the Ford EcoSport and the Mahindra's XUV 300, then I will be giving the link in the description below. In case you want, you can check it out. And if you are still watching this video, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. Stay safe, and I wish to see you in the next one.